Doctors. Today we are going to discuss about the anterior compartment muscle of your forearm. So let's begin. The muscle which is here, that is the brachioradialis. We studied about the brachioradialis in our previous lectures, but have a quick review of this. The brachioradialis is a muscle which has its origin from the lateral supraepicondyle region of the humerus, and it has an insertion into the base of the styloid process, or we can say that the base of the radius muscle, radius bone. So this is what the styloid process, and it help in the flexion of your hand. So other than the muscle which attach to the forearm, there is the pronator teres. The pronator teres is a muscle which has its origin is that of the medial epicondyle. It has two origins. Now first origin into the medial epicondyle of the humerus. Here we can see the medial epicondyle, and the second origin, the second head, is originating from there of the ulnar bone. So this part of the ulnar bone where the muscle is attached, that is the coronoid process. So it has two origins. Number first is the medial epicondyle, and number second, that is the coronoid process, and it has insertion below the midsection, or we can say that it is inserted into the lateral border of the radius bone. So we can see this is the radius bone, and in the midpoint of the lateral surface of the radius it is attached, and this muscle help in the pronation of your forearm, in somewhat flexion of your forearm. So and this is innervated by C6 and C7. Another muscle which is just near to there of the pronator teres, that is the flexor carpi radialis. So flexor carpi radialis has its origin again from the medial epicondyle of the humerus. We can see here, okay, from the medial epicondyle, and it has insertion into the base of the metacarpal. This is the second metacarpal, and where they attach, it is the base. This one is the base of the metacarpal, and as it is attached to the hand, so it help in the flexion of your hand, and it help in the abduction of your hand. So and this is also innervated by C6 and C7. Another muscle, that is the palmaris longus. Okay, the palmaris longus is a very long muscle, and again has a origin from there of the medial epicondyle of humerus bone. We can see here it has a medial epicondyle origin, and insertion is a very long, and insertion has 3 to 4 points. Okay, as we can see that these tendon, they are not attached to the bone. So where are they inserting? So these are inserting into the aponeurosis of your palm, or we can say they have the origin into the palmar aponeurosis. So what is the function of this muscle? The function of this muscle is again the flexion of your hand and abduction of your hand, and the innervation to this, that is the C7 and C8. So another muscle which is present just near the palmaris longus is the digitorum. So this is the flexor digitorum superficialis. So the flexor digitorum superficialis muscle has again two origins. It has an origin from the medial epicondyle, and the second origin starting from the again the little bit late medial side of the coronoid process of ulna. We can see here the medial epicondyle, here the origin from there of the coronoid process. Okay, and number third origin in from the anterior border of the radius muscle. This is what the radius muscle, and this is the anterior border of the radius muscle. So it has origin, three origins, from the epicondyle, okay, from the coronoid process, and from the anterior border, and it's going down, 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 and it has insertion into the, now it is attaching to the bone. So it has an insertion into the second, third, fourth, and fifth phalanges, okay, so of hand. So as it is again attached to the hand, so it help in the flexion and adduction or abduction of your head. So these are the muscles of your forearm: the radialis, okay, brachioradialis, pronator, pronator teres muscle, and the other muscle, that is the flexor carpi radialis, then palmaris longus, and below the palmaris longus, that is the flexor digitorum superficialis.